everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's On. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. In today's video, we're going to do a pesto pinwheel. So this is basically just taking bread dough, rolling it out, spreading it with pesto, rolling it up, slicing it, and then baking it in little rounds so that they're like little pinwheels. I made mine in the shape of a tree. You do not have to do that, and actually it'd be quite good, I think, not like that. I think it'd be really, really good just as the individual pinwheels. I think they get browner all the way around. So your choice how you want to do it. Without much more chatter, let's get cooking. Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm afraid I've lost the footage of the taste test of the pinwheels, and they're all eaten now, so I don't have that for you. These actually turned out really well. These would be great like on a snack board or as an appetizer if you're having a couple of people over. I'm not sure what your COVID rules are where you live. Here we're not allowed to have people over, but you may still be able to. So it's great for a holiday party, great for a snack board, great just for snacking on. So I hope that you like these as much as we do. We'll see you in the next video.